Good afternoon, guys. Guess where I am? I am in Xi'an. Good afternoon, guys. I'm currently at the hostel that I'm staying at, but I'm so pumped because I've been wanting to visit Xi'an since 2015, and I'm able to do that now because I have a New Year's short break. So why not try to visit Xi'an? The first thing that I would like to do is definitely to devour Xi'an street food. Check it out. So guys, I have arrived at the first place, which is selling guantang jiaozi. There are two fillings that I asked. You can ask based on your preference, being this one. The second one, meat. And the soup itself, it's spicy and sour. It's really, really nice. There are definitely bunch of food, variety of food and street food that you can find easily here. Crazy walking in the street, there are so many honkings and just too many people. I honestly have hard time choosing which food to buy because, to be quite honest, there are so many similarities between Incheon and Xi'an in terms of the food that they are selling. I think because of the influence that they got from the Silk Road history, they do have a lot of similarities in terms of the type of food they're selling, the taste and everything. So yeah, but if you're a foodie, you definitely have to check this out because I think you will really enjoy this place. One skewer, it costs 10 yuan. The best way to go to the market like this is together with your friend, because for example, if you have a very small stomach, you won't be able to actually eat a lot, and you miss out a lot of good snacks, and it's easily overwhelm you because you can easily find anything from A to Z. So definitely, if you want to go to China and see something that is a bit different, it's a bit touristy though, but it's fun. Definitely check out Xi'an street Muslim food. I just bought postcard. If you are keen to receive postcard, check out my Patreon page and send me an address through a message. Whether you're traveling alone or with friends, definitely check out this place. Thank you so much for watching. I'll get to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.